Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Robinhood markets. It is time for another update since we had a little bit of a push to the upside and actually formed a new high based on the news that it will join the S&P 500. So that is all good, but before we get to the short time frame, quickly on the longer time frame. We have been tracking this uptrend from the all-time low that managed to even break a very strong resistance that was formed by a 5-wave move that developed to the downside. Now that is actually all good. It allows us to track an uptrend that still has a lot of upside potential and is still going strong. Now for the count, we have been tracking here a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, then another 1 2 set up here, another 1 2 here, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then we were looking for this movement to the upside to develop within the fifth wave. Now it could turn out in the end, once this finishes developing, that this was another 1 2 setup, and then this could be the third wave up that is developing. That is completely fine, not a problem. When this actual movement is finished, we will have known if it is the third wave or the fifth wave within the overall movement, but at the moment it changes nothing and it does not matter. So here in the shorter time frame, in the previous video we had this support zone that we were looking to reach within this wave 4. Now we didn't quite reach it, and this actually rather tells me that we are actually still within this third wave to the upside. And this time, I would like to add even a count that would allow us to track this even better, since there is a lot more clarity to the structure here. And I can say pretty confidently that this could now be the third wave top. Now, this is not a definitive expectation, because this fifth wave could easily extend, and so far within this fifth wave we have a 5-wave move to the upside, but this could easily extend and be just a wave 1 up within the fifth wave, and then we would be looking for a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then a fifth wave, and then this fifth wave would be completing this third wave. But until that happens, we should still be looking and be prepared that this could have been a top, and we could be heading back down into the support zone that we would now expect here for the wave 4, that is between $97.5 down to the $75 level. Now based on the idea that this could extend, I would like to provide a support zone and account for those of you who are interested, for the idea that we are looking for a wave 2 support zone, and we will track this in the green interpretation, and I would expect this wave 2 to get and hold the support zone between $112 down to the $101 level. Now so far we are doing quite good within this correction. We seem to have formed at least a wave down and a wave up, and we can even consider this as an ABC pattern. And if I were to label it and look for an ideal target for this wave C, now also I want to mention this could be a 1 2 3 4 5 that is developing, but I can give you an idea of the targets for both cases. So if this is a wave C, I would be looking for an ideal target at the 100% extension at the $115 level. If this is a wave 3 that is developing, I would be looking at the $112.5 level for an ideal target. And for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.